This iPhone's rubbish, but how cool is that little kookaburra just sitting on the fence, just chilling, enjoying the sun. I think he's seen me filming him. There's so many birds around today. See how close that one was? Oh, there's two of them. There's one there on the roof. There's one there. Both of them just fucking chilling. That's mad. There's so many birds out today. Hey. Oh man, this country's fucking mad. I love. It's just fucking. It's an awesome day. Like, there's just birds and everything everywhere. He's digging it. Look at how close that bird flew that way. Look at him just sitting there in the flight path. Oh, this one just saw a grub. He's just grabbed. Wait, look at him. He just tried to grab that little bird. Ha! Man. I think he's jealous now. Look at him. Oi. Oi. Give me some. He's like, look at this. Yeah, we're scanning around here. Ah, look at nature. Better check in on my scary guard dog. Oh. Yep.